Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Autowire harness is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's electrical system, acting as the central nervous system that connects everything from your headlights to your engine control unit. Without a reliable and properly functioning wire harness, your car simply wouldn't operate, making its quality and integrity paramount for safety, performance, and overall driving experience. Today, we're diving deep into what makes a top-tier Autowire harness, exploring the intricate details that separate the good from the great, and helping you understand exactly what to look for to ensure your vehicle's electrical heart beats strong and true for years to come. Number 5. JY Performance Universal 21 Circuit Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing the JY Performance Universal 21 Circuit Wiring Harness Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for a wide range of vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit for your project. It features 21 circuits and 17 fuses, providing ample power distribution for all your vehicle's needs. Each wire is clearly labeled for easy identification. Crafted with a high-quality copper core, this harness offers superior electrical conductivity, ductility, and corrosion resistance for long-lasting performance. This kit covers essential functions including headlights, turn signals, power windows, and more. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with your vehicle's electrical system. Universally compatible with GM, Ford, Chrysler, Mopar, and many other makes and models. It's the ideal solution for hot rods, rat rods, and custom builds. While designed for broad compatibility, we recommend consulting a professional for installation to ensure optimal performance and safety. What we like. This harness offers a massive 21 circuits, providing extensive functionality for almost any accessory. The extra-long wires ensure you can reach every corner of your vehicle, even in larger builds. If you're working on a custom hot rod, a classic restoration, or a complex project needing many electrical connections, this is your go-to solution. What people say. Pliable wires with many stands inside the wiring. Each wire passed my continuity test. Each wire is print labeled. Number 4. American Autowire 500560 Truck Wiring Harness. Give your 1960 to 1966 Chevy truck the electrical system it deserves. This wiring harness is designed specifically for your vehicle. Enjoy a straightforward installation process. It's engineered to fit your truck perfectly, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade. Count on dependable electrical performance for all your truck's needs. This harness provides a solid foundation for your vehicle's wiring. Crafted with quality materials, this wiring harness is built to last. It's designed to withstand the demands of daily use. This is a vehicle-specific harness, meaning it's made to integrate seamlessly with your classic Chevy truck's existing setup. Trust in the American Autowire brand for your electrical needs. They are known for producing high-quality, reliable automotive parts. What we like. Designed specifically for 1960 to 1966 Chevy trucks, this harness offers a perfect, hassle-free fit. It eliminates the guesswork and potential for errors associated with universal kits. If you own a classic Chevy truck from this era and want a reliable, direct-fit wiring solution, this is the ideal choice for your restoration. What people say. The label are marked all-down wires with easy-to-read diagrams. Can route nearly want were. The wires are labeled clearly. Many different options depending on your vehicle. Definitely worth getting a good wire crimping tool. All the wires are clearly marked and have all necessary wires in the harness for standard wiring configuration, or if vehicle is modified with HEI, digital temp, fuel pump, etc., it has those additional wires already included. Number 3. American Autowire 500981 Wire Harness System. Introducing the American Autowire 500981 Wire Harness System, specifically designed for your 1964 to 1967 Chevelle. This vehicle-specific system ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration. Crafted with precision in the United States, this harness system is built for durability and reliability. You can trust in its quality for your classic car. Designed for straightforward installation, it simplifies your wiring project. Experience enhanced performance and peace of mind with this essential upgrade. Despite its comprehensive functionality, the system comes in a compact package. Its dimensions are 16.2 inches long, 2.87 inches high, and 5.84 inches wide. Weighing in at 14 pounds, this wire harness system is robust yet manageable. It's the ideal solution for restoring or upgrading your Chevelle's electrical system. What we like. This system is engineered as a vehicle-specific solution for 1964 to 1967 Chevelles, ensuring seamless integration and proper function. Its U.S. manufacturing also speaks to a commitment to quality and durability. If you're restoring or modifying a Chevelle from these years and prioritize a precise fit and domestic quality, this harness system is the one to get. What people say. Once the kit came, I started with the gauge cluster just to get a feel for it. I must say it all went very smooth and was much easier than I anticipated. Tech support is spot on and they know their stuff. They were always available if I needed anything or had any questions. When I was finished, surprisingly everything worked the first time. This is not OEM replacement but an upgraded wiring solution. However, anyone who is working on a classic car would want an upgraded harness rather than the older style design. Very detailed color diagrams and instructions. Should be easier than I thought. Number 2. GS Power 100 feet 10-gauge automotive wire. Introducing our premium 10-gauge automotive wire, perfect for all your vehicle's electrical needs. This flexible wire is designed for durability and ease of use. Crafted with stranded copper-clad aluminum, it offers a lighter and more flexible alternative to pure copper. Its PVC insulation ensures it can withstand temperatures up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. This wire is specifically designed for low-voltage applications, making it perfect for your 12-volt automotive systems. Please note, it is not suitable for household AC wiring. Its versatility extends to a wide range of projects, including car stereos, trailer harnesses, RC toys, and DIY electrical projects. It's the ideal choice for powering your automotive accessories. Each 50-foot roll comes in red and black, providing a total of 100 feet of high-quality wire. This convenient packaging makes installation a breeze for any project. What we like. This 10-gauge wire is robust enough for various automotive applications, from car stereos to trailer hookups. Its copper-clad aluminum construction makes it lighter and more flexible than pure copper, simplifying installation. If you're tackling a DIY project like a car audio upgrade or need reliable wiring for accessories and prefer a more manageable wire, this is an excellent option. What people say. Easy to strip and solder, worked fine. Great for wiring and power injection of Christmas LED decorations. Good quality. Works for me, looks good, flexible, good length. Number 1. GS Power 100 feet 12-gauge automotive wire. Introducing our 100-foot roll of 12-gauge automotive wire, perfect for all your vehicle's electrical needs. It comes in convenient red and black rolls, totaling 100 feet for your projects. This wire is constructed with stranded copper-clad aluminum, offering a flexible yet durable solution. It's insulated with PVC and rated for high temperatures, ensuring reliability. Experience the benefits of CCA wire, which is lighter, more flexible, and more affordable than traditional copper. It's an excellent choice for 12-volt applications. Please note, this wire is designed for low-voltage systems, from 6 to 80 volts. It's perfect for automotive, car audio, and trailer wiring. Its applications are vast, including RC toys, battery connections, lighting, and DIY electrical projects. It's also great for motor cables and 3D printers. Whether you're working on car stereos, home theaters, or LED strip lights, this wire provides a reliable connection. It's the go-to choice for any low-voltage DIY electrical task. What we like. Offering a 12-gauge thickness, this wire is suitable for a wide range of low-voltage automotive needs, including speaker systems and general wiring. The convenient 100-foot total length, split into red and black rolls, provides ample material for most projects. If you need flexible, cost-effective wiring for general automotive use, LED lighting, or smaller audio setups, this is a great value choice. What people say. Easy to strip and solder, worked fine. Great for wiring and power injection of Christmas LED decorations. Good quality. Works for me, looks good, flexible, good length. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.